Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. Before starting this chapter, we should know about few terms. This is a line, we can say it is horizontal level or ground level. Or ground level. Suppose this is a point A. This point is located above the ground, and this is another point. Suppose this point B. This point B is located below the ground level. Suppose it is a point C on the ground level. If you want to see an object which is located at the point A, then one angle will be created. Like this. This angle is called angle of elevation, and this line is called as line of sight or line of vision. Now from the point C, if we want to see point B, then another one more angle will be created like this, and this angle is called as angle of depression. And this line is called as line of sight. So this is ground level, this is line of sight, this angle is called angle of elevation, this is also the line of sight, and this angle is called as angle of depression. Now we can start exercise. Only one exercise is there. Exercise 9.1. In question number 1, one diagram is given. ABC, a right triangle. B is 90 degree, right angle. A, B, C. Angle C is given 30 degree. And AC, it is 20 meter. For this triangle, BC is the adjacent side. This will be base, and AB will be the perpendicular, and AC is the hypotenuse. In this sum, AB is the vertical pole, and a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. So AC is the rope and AB is the vertical pole. Find the height of the pole. That means AB, this we have to find. we can use perpendicular and hypotenuse sine. Question number 1. Sine C equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means C angle is 30 degree. Sine 30 degree. Perpendicular is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Perpendicular, it is AB. Hypotenuse, it is AC. Now sine 30 is half. AB unknown. We have to find the value of AB. AC is 20 meter. We can write 20 only here. This and this we can cancel. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 10 ja 20. Now cross multiplication. AB into 1 means AB. 10 into 1 means 10. Finally, we can write the answer. Therefore, the height of the pole is 10 meter. Therefore, the height of the pole is 10 meter. That means AB, length of AB we have got. Question number 2 we are going to start. For this sum, suppose this is a tree. Suppose this is A, it is B, this is ground level, this it is B and it is C. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends to the top. It is the top of the tree, A point, B point is the bottom of the tree, and from this point, this upper part of the tree is broken and it touches the ground like this way. Let us see. Same length will be here. This part, suppose this part is broken and it touches the ground like this way. Top part touches the ground at this point. Let this point is D. Point D. Obviously, this will be right angle and this angle is given, that is given 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree, it is the foot of the tree, point B, to the point where the top touches the ground. Top touches the ground at the point D. So, foot of the tree and top touches the ground, which is at the point D. That is the distance BD. That distance is given 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Height of the tree means we have to find AB. AB means AC plus BC. Now AC is the broken part that touches the ground. So this length and this length will be equal. Let us find first length of BC. It is base, perpendicular, it is hypotenuse. Perpendicular and base. So we can use 10. 10D. 10D is perpendicular upon base. D is 30 degree. Perpendicular is unknown. That means we can write BC. And base is BD. Now tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. BC, BD is 8. 8 meter is given. We are not writing unit here. Cross multiplication, root 3 into BC. It will be 8 into 1, 8. That means BC will be 8 upon root 3. If we want to rationalize this, we have to multiply by root 3 upon root 3. Now, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Upper part will be 8 root 3 and denominator will be 3. So, what value we got for BC? BC is 8 root 3 upon 3. Base upon hypotenuse we can use this, or perpendicular upon hypotenuse also we can use, because perpendicular is known now. Suppose cos trigonometric ratio, that if we use cos D is base upon hypotenuse. Base means BD. Hypotenuse, that is unknown. It will be CD. Cos 30 degree equals to BD is how much? 8. And CD is unknown. Cos 30 degree will be root 3 upon 2, 8 upon CD. We can do cross multiplication. Root 3 into CD will be 8 to the 16. That means CD will be 16 upon root 3. We can rationalize into root 3 upon root 3. That means CD will be 16 root 3 upon 3. We have to find the height of the tree. We got CD and BC also. So if we add BC plus CD, we will get AB. I have to clean this part. AB. AB means BC plus AC. Total is AB. That means BC plus AC. Now AC and CD equal. So we can write BC plus CD. Now we know the value of BC and CD. BC is 8 root 3 upon 3 and CD is 16 root 3 upon 3. If we add, LCM will be 3 and it will be 8 root 3 plus 16 root 3, means 8 plus 16 is 24 root 3 upon 3. If we cut 3 8 is 24, it will be 8 root 3. We can write the answer now. Therefore, the height of the tree is, therefore, the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Next, question number 3 will start. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? That means 2 slides are there. Question number 3. Slide 1. We can write slide 1. It is like this. It is given 30 degree and height is given 1.5 meter. Suppose A, B and C. It is 90 degree. So this will be base, it will be perpendicular, it will be hypotenuse. AC is the slide. We have to find the value of AC. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, we can use this sin C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Next, sin C means sin 30 degree equals to AB is 1.5, AC is unknown. Sin 30 degree is half, 1.5 upon AC. Cross multiplication, AC into 1 is AC. 1.5 into 2 means 3. We can write what is given find the length of the slide in each case. Therefore, the length of the slide, the length of the slide for the first case is 3 meter. Now slide 2. Slide 2 it is given 3 meter and 60 degree. Three meter, suppose it is D, E, F, 90 degree, it is 60 degree, base perpendicular, hypotenuse. DF is the slide 2. Slide 2. Sin F equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means sin 60 degree equals to DE. We can write here DE upon DF. This DE is the perpendicular, DF is the hypotenuse. DE is known, it is 3 meter. DF is unknown. Sin 60 degree means root 3 upon 2. It will be 3 upon DF. Now root 3 into DF. 3 to the 6. DF will be 6 upon root 3. We can rationalize. It will be 6 root 3 upon 3. 3 to the 6. 2 root 3. The length of the slide for the second case, therefore the length of the slide for the second case is 2 root 3 meter. Next sum. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground is, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. This is a tower AB. Suppose AB is the tower. It is the top point of the tower and it is the bottom point of the tower. So A is the top point, B is the bottom point. And this is the ground level. C is a point on the ground level. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower, that means from the point C, if you see point A, then one angle will be created. That angle is given here, that is 30 degree. And point C, that means the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away. That means from this point, the bottom of the tower, point C, is located, which is 30 meter away. That means this distance is 30 meter. C point is located 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So what we got? A is the top of the tower, B is the foot of the tower, C is a point located on the ground, and C point is 30 meter away from the point B, and the angle created by AC and BC is 30 degree. What we have to find? The height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower. It will be base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Base is given and angle is given. We have to find perpendicular. And C is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC. We can write tan 30 degree equals to AB is unknown, BC is 30, then 30 means 1 upon root 3 equals to AB upon 30, cross multiplication, root 3 into AB. It will be 30. AB will be 30 upon root 3. We can rationalize. It will be 30 root 3 upon 3. 3 times 30. Therefore, AB equals to 10 root 3. Therefore, the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Next sum, it is given a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Suppose this is the kite. It is the ground level. This is the string. This height is the vertical height of the kite, and this is a point on the ground. Suppose it is A, point A, this point is B, this point is C. Flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. This is the ground level. Above the ground, the height of the kite is, that means vertical height of the kite is 60 meters. And the string is tied. Here it is given. The string is tied to a point on the ground. C is a point on the ground. That string is tied at this point. And this angle is given 60 degree. We have to find the length of the string. That means we have to find the length of AC. It is base, perpendicular, it is hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. Question number 5. Right. Question number 5. Sin C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Means perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Sin angle C is 60 degree equals to AB is 60 meter, AC is unknown. Sin 60 degree means root 3 upon 2, it will be 60 upon AC. Now root 3 into AC cross multiplication, it will be root 3 AC. 60 into 2, it will be 120 AC equals to 120 upon root 3. Now we can rationalize. (120) into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. We can cancel like this. 40 root 3. That means we got AC equals to 40 root 3. Find the length of the string. Therefore, the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Okay, today's this much.